Hi, I'm Sharon. Today we're showing you how to install a towel bar using a template. Now the template is included with your Amerock towel bar. This towel bar is from the Amerock collection in stainless steel. Determine where you want to mount your towel bar. We've already marked where the stud is here, so now you're ready to use your template. Here's a helpful hint. I already put 2 pieces of painter's tape on the template, and that'll help it stay on the wall better when I'm ready to drill. Let's make sure it's level. Use the line that comes with your template, and we're good. Here's a helpful hint. Most towel bars are mounted 48 inches from the floor. You'll drill 2 holes for each mounting plate. Let's show you those mounting plates. This is where our mounting plate will go. We're starting where the stud is. I'll use a 1/8 inch drill bit. On the other side of our towel bar where the mounting plate goes, there's no stud, it's just drywall, so I'll use a 5/16 inch drill bit. We're ready to drill. We changed our drill bit. I have my 5/16 and we're ready. We just finished drilling. Time to take the template off and use our drywall anchors. Your Amerock towel bar comes with 2 kinds of anchors. These are for tile. These are the ones we'll use for drywall. So we'll put these down, and you'll have to pinch your anchor together so it goes in your wall easily. Let's see. And then grab a hammer and just tap it in. Now we align our mounting plate and insert the first screw and grab our drill. All right, now we put our second screw in. And drill this one in a little bit. Before mounting, make sure your set screws are loose, and then slide your towel bar on, tighten up your set screws, and you're done. We hope you found this helpful. You can find lots more on our Amerock Answers series.